Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks from waste material. Utilizing waste to create building blocks offers significant environmental advantages. This innovative approach transforms discarded items like plastics, fly ash, and construction rubble into durable bricks. It helps reduce the immense volume of waste sent to landfills, thereby lessening pollution and conserving precious natural resources. This process also promotes a more sustainable construction industry for the future. Choosing the right waste materials is the first crucial step. For instance, plastic waste needs to be shredded into small, consistent pieces, often less than 5 millimeters, before being combined with sand. Fly ash, a fine powder from coal-fired power plants, is excellent for adding strength. Construction and demolition debris must be thoroughly crushed and sieved to remove impurities, ensuring a uniform aggregate for your bricks. Once prepared, the waste materials are precisely mixed with binding agents, such as cement or lime, and a measured amount of water. This mixture is then compacted into brick molds using significant pressure, often several tons per square inch, to ensure density. Following molding, the bricks undergo a curing process, which might involve air drying for several days or steam curing for faster results, enhancing their strength and longevity. The benefits of making bricks from waste are substantial. Environmentally, it diverts millions of tons of waste from landfills, reducing pollution and conserving natural resources like clay. Economically, these bricks can be more cost-effective to produce, potentially saving up to 20% on material costs. They are versatile for many construction projects, from housing to pathways, actively contributing to a more sustainable and circular economy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.